Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Citrus. So in this anime story, our heroine's mom just got remarried and that's how she got a stepsister. So this stepsister of her, she is kinda strict. So now both of them living at the same house, going to the same school. Our heroine try to get close to her as a sister. But as for our second heroine, she doesn't really want to get close to anyone. So now what's gonna happen between them? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Adachi and Shimamura. As for this anime story, two of our heroines, they are in high school, so both of them are best friends. So they always skipping class together, talking about each other's hobby and all of that different stuff. So one day, while skipping a class, one of our heroine started thinking about she kinda likes our second heroine. So from that point, their kinda this romantic struggle begins. So both of them started to get into kinda complicated relationship. So they kinda like each other romantically, but they can't really go with it. So now in this anime story, how they gonna come forward with this, how they gonna face their true feelings. So that's the story all about. If you like girls love romantic animes, try it out, it's good. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Omadian in Your Sabbath Season. So this anime story, it's about our 5 heroines. All of them are in same school and in same club, literature club. So in literature club, they read lot of books. So while reading some of them, they got some bizarre idea about romance and romantic relationship. So they think romance is kind of a pure thing, but when they heard about their classmates' romantic relationship, they think that their romance is kind of a unpure, disgusting thing. So now in this anime, our 5 heroines gonna get into their own relationship and they gonna find out what's it's truly like. But before that, lot of complicated things gonna happen. To know that, you have to watch the anime. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Aoi Hana. So it's a girls love anime. Story is about 2 of our heroines falling in love. 2 of our heroines in this anime, both of them used to be friends from childhood. But one of our heroine had to move away. After that, they haven't met each other for a long time, haven't even contact each other. But finally, starting in this anime, both of them are in high school. Our heroine finally moved back to her hometown. And there she meets our second heroine again. But their friendship, it's not really same as before. And there are also few girls in this anime who gonna fall in love with our heroines. So now, how they gonna get past all of that and gonna fall in love with each other again, that's the story all about. So it's a really good shoujo anime. If you like girls love, you should try this anime out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Asagawa to Kaze-san. So this one, it's a Yuri anime, girls love, and a short movie type, 1-hour movie, but a really good one. If you like girls love, you should try this anime out. So in this anime story, one of our heroine, she is really a quiet, timid type girl. So in her school, she really likes one of the girl, but because of her personality, she never managed to confess. As for our other heroine, she is an athletic girl. She also don't have any idea what to do in a romantic situation. So she also likes our first heroine, but she doesn't really know what to do. So now in the story, what's gonna happen between them? To find out, you have to watch the anime. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.